Hello everyone! Let's learn how to turn day into night in any photo by using Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now, go to Effect Control and select the Color Lookup option. Here, select the moonlight effect. Now, select the image layer and make a selection of windows in the photo. Now, create a solid color layer, then choose a yellow color in the color picker, then hit OK. Bring the solid color layer at the top. Right-click on the solid color layer and turn it into a smart object. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Here, keep the radius between 6 to 10 and hit OK. Change the blending mode to screen. Reduce its opacity to 50%. Now, right-click on the solid color layer and create a duplicate layer. Double-click on the effect layer to open the blur panel. Here, change the radius between 40 to 42 and hit OK. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times to get the desired light effect and change the settings and opacity to achieve the best light effect. Once the lighting is done, create a levels layer. Adjust the levels to create a more dramatic and realistic effect in the photo. And we are done. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.